Here at Scott Legal, we've processed hundreds of E-2 visa applications. While past results do not predict or guarantee future outcomes, we have a 98% E-2 visa approval rate. A common question we receive is, do I need an office lease for an E-2 visa? Or can I use a virtual or home office? The answer is, while a physical office is not required for an E-2 visa, we strongly recommend that the applicant have one. We do not recommend that the applicant only have a home office or a virtual office. What the government is looking for when it reviews an E-2 visa application is whether the applicant is really committed to starting a business in the U.S. A lease for an actual office shows the government that the applicant is serious about starting a business in the U.S. This question has become more common in the past few months, after the government, in July 2020, updated the Foreign Affairs Manual. The Foreign Affairs Manual, or FAM, guides Department of State employees. The update to the FAM states that an e-visa applicant does not need a physical office space to qualify. However, the government also makes clear that having physical office space may be relevant in determining whether the requirements for an e-visa have been met. Therefore, the update to the FAM did not significantly change our guidance. In summary, while the law does not indicate that a commercial lease is required, the government continues to take evidence of a lease very seriously. A lease goes a long way to showing the government that this is a serious applicant. But what about the details of the lease? Must it be for a certain length of time? The lease does not have to be for a defined term, and can be month to month. However, a longer commitment provides stronger proof to the government that you are serious about the business, since you have more funds at risk. You can also prepay your lease to increase your investment amount. Keep in mind that a commercial lease is when the entity leasing the space is a business, and the property being rented is zoned for commercial use. As a result, obtaining a lease from a friend, or renting a portion of their home, is usually not acceptable. Another, related question we receive is whether the applicant can set up a virtual office. The answer is the same. The government is becoming savvy with respect to alternative arrangements such as virtual office space, or renting a shared office space. Again, while you can submit an E-2 application with a virtual office, or with no office at all, it will likely hurt the application. We always recommend to clients that they have an office with a commercial lease. It does not need to be a closed-door office, and can be a shared workspace, such as WeWork. But you should have a dedicated desk at the shared workspace, and have enough space for any employees that might be needed at the time the E-2 visa application is being submitted. One exception to this general rule is if your business is mobile. For example, if your business is a food truck or an oxygen bar, and you travel from location to location offering services, a commercial lease may not be required. Please note that there may be changes in this area due to the COVID-19 global pandemic. Many companies have already given up their office spaces and are shifting to working from home indefinitely. If you are considering an E-2 visa, or have additional questions about the role of a commercial lease in the visa application, Scott Legal is here to help. You can contact us by calling 212-223-2964, or by sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you. You can also schedule your consultation by clicking on the link below, where you can choose a day and time that is most convenient for you.